Well, no rain, pretty dry out there, and you were talking about our fire dangers up, huh?
Yeah, this is the time of the year, you know. I mean, we've had brush fires over the course of the this time of year that can cause interstates to close down, homes to be threatened too, so keep that in mind. And it looks like that fire danger is going to stay pretty high too through Friday. Now, it may change a little bit in terms of rainfall, but it could actually be more dangerous with some thunderstorms developing over the weekend. Lakewood Ranch webcam showing those fair weather cumulus clouds coming in from the east. You see the tops, they're not very vertical as far as that goes, stretching up into the atmosphere. They're being capped there as a result of the dry air that's around, and then they kind of clear out late in the day. Now, the dry air that I mentioned is all over the Gulf of Mexico and into the Atlantic. It continues to stay that way too. There's a lot of moisture bottled up just to the south and east of the state. That's going to eventually come in, and we'll see that chance for showers go up a little bit over the weekend. Now, as far as we're concerned, the drought status, not too terribly bad. It's abnormally dry right now for the west coast of Florida. Manatee County included into that. Most of all of Sarasota and Hardee and DeSoto County, just half of Manatee County, abnormally dry on the low end of the scale right there. No drought into Hillsborough at this point. These numbers will possibly go higher into the moderate category, I think. But drought is not what we look at in terms of fire danger. It's the relative humidity and how much fuel does the fires have to work with, and the dry, some of the leaves and brushes that are around from this winter, very dry conditions out there. GOES East visible satellite showing those clouds moving from the east to the west right now with those easterly winds around that area of high pressure, all that moisture kind of being kept down to our south, but it will have a chance to work its way northward on into Saturday and Sunday, and there'll be enough shower activity around just for scattered showers and thunderstorms that it could ignite a fire if we get any lightning with them. So this is kind of a dangerous time of year. 86 degrees right now. We have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies being felt. Look at the humidity, 38%. That's another reason why the danger is so high. East and northeast winds at 14. And so if fires were to develop, that would fan the flames and cause it to spread rather quickly. The barometer 30-13, and that continues to hold steady for the most part. Well, we got to 90 today. 2 degrees shy of the record, 92, and we'll be there tomorrow too. We're very close to it. Temperatures will warm into the upper 80s, but notice we start off pretty comfortable. It's been nice in the mornings, 67 degrees. The afternoons haven't been bad, obviously, with the low humidity around, but that is going to be increasing, as I mentioned, as that moisture starts to work its way northward over the weekend. Boy, big storms in Kansas. You've seen some of the tornado video that some of the hunters have shot, and these storm chasers will continue to see some big storms firing up there tomorrow as well as today. This is for tonight. The chance for severe weather and tornadoes exists from Kansas City southward all the way down into Oklahoma. The reason why is there's a dividing line. There's a frontal boundary being held off by that high that's dominating our weather, with that east to southeasterly wind just bringing that warm, moist Gulf air into this colder air behind it. 53 in Denver, 81 in Kansas City. This is going to advance to the southeast. It will erode the high pressure ridge that's dominating our weather just a little bit. It will push it off to the east and weaken it, and then this area of low pressure moving near Cuba, a little rotation and circulation there will move mainly across Cuba and then through the Bahamas, I think, over the weekend. So the big storm system with it should not have a big impact on us, but it will be close enough to bring us a better chance for showers scattered about on Saturday and then again on Sunday. Then it just kind of leaves a trough of low pressure behind it, and that will stick around through Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You'll see that in just a minute. Seas running 2 to 3 feet tomorrow. We'll start off with east winds turning to the northeast. So late in the day as that sea breeze tries to develop, seas will come down, winds will come down to 5 to 10 knots by midday. The water temperature 77 degrees, and as far as the forecast goes for the next 7 days, we're looking like this. Temperatures approaching 90 each day, although with increased clouds and a little bit more moisture around. Saturday, a 50% chance for showers and some scattered thunderstorms there, mainly in the afternoon and evening. 40% chance on Sunday. Temperatures will be fairly close to seasonal averages, just a couple degrees above that. And then that trough hangs around, brings us some clouds and sun at times with a 30% chance on Tuesday and on into Wednesday. That rain chance at 30% for a few scattered showers. Temperatures remaining, though, slightly above average all throughout next week as well. Back to you.